Top 7 tasks you should outsource to a virtual assistant in 2026. If your day ends before your work does, you're doing too much. Here are 7 tasks every entrepreneur should outsource to a virtual assistant in 2026. Task 1: email and calendar management. A VA can filter emails, schedule calls, set reminders, and keep your day organized so you never miss a follow-up. Task 2: lead qualification. No more random inquiries. Your VA qualifies every lead and books calls only with people who are ready to move forward. Task 3: social media management. Your VA can post, schedule, research hashtags, track analytics, and ensure you stay consistent even on busy weeks. Task 4: research. Market research, competitor analysis, and pricing reviews, all handled without you spending hours scrolling Google. Task 5: client support. A VA manages complex client conversations by addressing niche queries, providing accurate information, sharing documents, tracking updates, and maintaining long-term professional relationships with consistency. Task 6: operations. Invoice creation, data entry, reports, SOPs, these tasks steal your time without growing your revenue. Delegate them. Task 7: personal productivity. Need travel booked? Meetings arranged? Weekly review summaries? Your VA can handle your personal admin too. If you outsource even 3 of these tasks, you'll save 6-12 hours every week. If you need a trained VA who can manage all of this, drop a VA in the comments, and we'll reach out.